Okay, for example, in German, how do I say I love you?
Ich liebe dich.
What does that mean?
I love you.
Ah, thank you. I love you too.
Did you just...
Hi, Stella. Good morning.
Morning, how are you doing?
I'm doing great. How about you? You look so shiny today.
Oh, thank you. I'm doing great, thanks. This weekend was just really short. I wish it was longer.
Maybe you have had some interesting stuff during this week, so you
It was
couldn't
very social. I
focus.
had a lot of friends. Yeah, I had a lot of friends over and some family
Interesting.
over, so it was a very busy weekend. Yeah, what did you do this weekend?
This weekend, let me remember, because I have a temporary memory.
Okay.
What I did in this weekend, actually, it was like full of many things actually, but I don't remember in a specific way. So my kids got 14 days, okay, holiday.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so we went to the malls, to the restaurants, we went to the park. We had like some fun, like a
Nice.
family. Yeah,
Aw.
like as a family, and yeah, and after that, I don't know. I don't remember this week. Yeah, like you said, this week has passed very quickly.
Very, very quickly. Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's nice that you could have some family time and do
Yeah.
some fun things and just relax.
Yeah, exactly. And how about you? Did you get some friends from Iraq?
Oh yeah, I got a call from Ali today. He says hi. I don't know if you know him, but yeah, he's a student from Iraq, and he said he watched one of your videos.
Awesome.
Yeah,
So,
yeah, he called me earlier
so
today.
I'm promoting very well.
Yes,
My
you're doing a
channel.
great job.
Yeah. So his name was Ali.
Ali, yes, Ali.
Yeah, I know that.
Yeah, he's
So
from Iraq, but he's living in Turkey at the moment.
so he he is like the only one from Iraq, or you have some other student from Iraq?
He's the only one whom I've spoken to recently.
Yeah.
I have to think now.
How many students in general from Iraq that you
Not a lot.
talk with?
Yeah, it's very rare to get a call from Iraq.
Very rare. Wow.
Yeah.
I have a YouTube channel and I post my videos. So one of my videos with you went viral, got more than 1 million views. More than 1
Oh
million.
yay! Congrats.
Yeah.
That's great.
So thank you. So
Which one was that?
When I when I was when I was having COVID.
Oh, that one. Oh yes,
Yeah.
I remember. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. It's
Yeah.
very relevant.
People interesting with this stuff.
Yeah, especially with COVID. Okay, well, congratulations. That's a good number.
Yeah, I thought you have at least 100 from Iraq.
Yeah, but you know what? Like, there's a lot of people from Turkey who also watches your channel. So I have a lot of Turkish students. I think our times are more similar.
Similar, yeah,
Yeah,
similar. Yeah.
Turkey's like 1 hour ahead of South Africa. So that might
Exactly,
be it.
yeah. And Iraq and Turkey, we have the same time zone.
Do we?
Yeah, Iraq and Turkey.
Oh, Iraq and Turkey.
Yeah,
oh,
Iraq
sorry,
and
I thought
Turkey.
you said Iraq and South Africa.
No, Iraq and Turkey.
Slow
No,
today. It's a Monday morning. I need to wake up. Yeah.
So am I the first student today for you, or you have had some students before me?
I've spoken to a few students since 8 o'clock, but
Since
I'm
8
not a
o'clock.
morning person, so technically I wake up at 12.
Really? But I thought you are like an early bird.
No, I'm asleep now. You just don't know it. You're
Yeah, I
actually
can see
talking
the
to
pillow.
a sleeping person.
I can see the pillow.
No, don't see it. It's not not supposed to show. I should put a plant there. There we go.
Yeah.
Now you
Now,
can't see
now
the
it
pillar.
makes sense. Yeah.
Yay!
Now you're awake.
Yes, my hand's just gonna get super tired.
What do you call this plant? Is it fake plank or
No, this is a real plant. This one
real
is. I'm
plant?
not sure what it's called. Maybe someone else knows. And it just got like stuck in my. Anyway.
No, I want to ask you. I want to ask you the kind of this plant that lives in indoor, not outdoor. What do you call it?
Oh, we just call it an indoor plant.
Indoor plant.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you can have it
Yeah.
indoors. It grows indoors.
Yeah, you know,
Yeah.
these plants needs some light, and also they need some shadow.
Yes, yes. So you need to keep them in, let's say, moderate light. So not
Yeah.
a lot of light, and they need to be in the shade, I suppose. I don't know if it's shadow. It might be in the shade, I think. Yes.
The shade.
Yeah.
Stella, you have like in South Africa, you have like more than 10 language there, right?
Yeah, we have 11 official languages.
11 official. Yeah. So how many languages do you speak?
I speak 3 languages, but one of them
Awesome.
is German, so it's not a South African language. So I don't know
Are
if it counts.
are you fluent in German
I used
language?
to be because I spent a year in Germany, and my host parents
Yeah.
refused to speak English with me, which was good
Yeah.
because then I had to
Yeah.
learn German.
Yeah.
But that was 10 years ago, so I understand it now and I speak it a little, but I'm not fluent anymore.
Yeah, you cannot communicate easily with the German people, but you can understand them.
Yeah, I can understand them, and I think if I spend some time there again, I'd speak it fluently again.
Yeah. And what about the other language?
The other language is English, and then I also speak Afrikaans, which is similar to Dutch, actually.
Dutch.
Yeah, that's probably why I learned German so quickly.
Yeah. It's not similar.
Dutch and German are also quite
Yeah?
similar. Yeah.
Similar. So okay, for example, in German, how do I say I love you?
Ich liebe dich.
What does that mean?
I love you.
Thank you. I love you too.
Like you just asked me. Ich liebe dich. Yeah.
Ich liebe dich.
They also have that guttural sound like you do in Arabic, right? The
Yeah, we have the letter H.
yeah, we don't have that in English.
Yeah. Also, you don't have guys the letter G or the. We have that
No.
letter. These letters.
Re, like a rolled R sound, like a R or a R.
Yeah, we have. Like for example, my name is Greg.
What? What
See?
did you just say? Your name is Greg.
Your name is For example, my name is Greg. It's
Greg.
hard to pronounce.
Oh, okay. I just thought that's how you pronounced your name. I'm sure it was Ahmed.
No, you have pronounced my name perfectly, Ahmed.
Yeah, Greg is difficult.
Yeah,
Can you
yeah,
say
it's
Greg?
it's very. Yeah, Greg. I don't know. I heard that name from TikTok.
Greg. Greg is a very common name in English.
Really? I thought it's like a funny name.
No, Greg, like my neighbor Greg. Yeah, you'll hear Greg a lot. I think it's from the longer name Gregory.
Gregory. Yeah. Yeah.
Anyway.